Hello, good afternoon, my lecturer and my friends. Today we would like to share you a tips to handle and how to prevent the electric shock. Enjoy watching.
Hey, View. Rehan, look at Jacob. What is up with him? Jacob? I think that Jacob got electric shock, so we must treat it fast. Okay. So I will call to the emergency call, and then while I call, Chacha please turn off the.
Okay.
And Cici please separate Jacob from the source. Okay.
Hey, look, Jacob has a burn mark.
Let's please. So I will take the water, and then you please take the cloth.
Okay.
So guys, how to prevent electric shock when playing a handphone? First is never charge your smartphone in the bathroom or near water, and the second is don't use the earbuds or earphone plug into a charging cell phone, and the third is only use OEM or original equipment manufacturer charge for your smartphone, and the last is never charge your cell phone in a bed.
So that's all about tips and how to prevent the electric shock. Maybe useful prevent better.